Let's get you a few headlines on this Thursday. We start with the Badger Prairie Needs Network and a public open house. This is awesome. It's coming up real soon. Want to get this on your calendar. The public open house will be held at the Badger Prairie Needs Network on Sunday, August 21st from 12 to 3 p.m. in the Kashaisha. I knew I was going to say this wrong, but this new center at the Badger Prairie Needs Network is opening up. And, of course, they're asking you to bring a food for donation for their food pantry when you do come out for the open house. They'll have a special presentation a little bit earlier that week that will bring you coverage here right on Fact TV. Other news, Leopold Community Block Party is coming up. Get this one on your calendar. If you're in the Leopold neighborhood, the block party will be held on Thursday, August 25th from 4 to 7 p.m. at Leopold Elementary School, 2602 Post Road. And this is cool. They're going to have music, free food, a double Dutch competition, basketball activities, raffles, and so much more. So come on out. Sounds like it's going to be a lot of fun there on Thursday, August 25th in the Leopold neighborhood. We also have from Public Health of Madison-Dane County a Staying Safe Online seminar. Check this out. It'll be held on Wednesday, August 17th from 12 to 1 p.m. And youth, internet, and social media safety is what the topic will be. And you can tune in for this online free webinar, and it will be recorded as well, but it's hosted by the Public Health of Madison and Dane County and the Wisconsin Task Force on the Department of Justice. So glad to see these two entities teaming up, and always good to learn a little bit more about online presence and the youth, because we know a lot more things are online when it comes to our youth. For games and online activities, because a lot of stuff's tied to that. We know that as adults, and we need to stay ahead of those things. So tune in for that webinar. Finally, gift cards for guns is coming up this weekend. Wanted to make sure to get this out to you again. This is happening at the Alliant Energy Center this upcoming weekend, and this is such a great event to get guns off the street. So gift cards for guns is your chance to turn in firearms to receive a gift card, no questions asked. It'll be held on Saturday, August 13th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Alliant Energy Center, 1919 Alliant Energy Center Way in Madison. And make sure you check the rules out there before you do come out and bring that said firearm. But breaking this down here, $10 to $25 gift cards will be for any guns that are BB guns, pellet guns, or I believe it's face file guns. You have the $50 gift card for guns as revolvers, $100 gift card for semi-automatic handguns, rifles, or shotguns, and $200 for ghost guns. $250 goes to any assault rifles that are turned in. And the Boys and Girls Club also teaming up on this, and they're going to give you an additional $250 for the first 5 assault-style rifles that are turned in on Saturday's event. And again, they're teaming up here to get these off the road. For the purpose of the event, we will be define these as rapid-fire magazine fed rifles, or what count there. We also will be including AR-15 style rifles in this category. The weapons must be complete and functional, and that's for the $250 gift card from the Boys and Girls Club. Again, check the rules before you come out on that, which is online there and on the screen. And plus, we'll share the link, as we have each and every night here, as we share this story on our Facebook page and YouTube page. All right, that does it for our headlines. Coming up next, we open up the digest. We're going to check in with the Fitchburg Chamber here on Thursday's edition of Talking Fitchburg.